Welcome to Selfomy's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create a class structure on Selfomy using 3 levels: category, course, and class. To keep things organized, the course category is the highest level. It represents your training area, such as IELTS or SAT. Step 1. From the left-hand menu, go to Classrooms and select Course Categories. Step 2. On the Course Category screen, click the Create Category button in the top right corner. Step 3. A pop-up will appear. Enter the category name, for example, IELTS Band 6.5+. Add a description, and upload a thumbnail image if needed. Step 4. Once you've filled in the information, click Save to create the category. Next is the second level, course. Each category can include multiple courses, such as pre-IELTS or intermediate IELTS. Step 1. From the Classrooms menu, select Courses. Step 2. On the Courses screen, click Create Course in the top right corner. Step 3. A pop-up will appear. Fill in the key details such as course name. Select the category you created, number of sessions, payment method, and course fee. You can also scroll down to adjust additional settings, such as displaying the course on your website or enabling it as an online course that anyone can join. Step 4. Click Save to create the course. Step 5. After creating it, you can click the eye icon to view details or the edit icon to update the course information. Finally, we have Classrooms. This is the actual class where you manage students, assignments, and schedules, for example, Class K60. Step 1. From the Classrooms menu, select Classrooms. Step 2. On the Classroom screen, click Create Classroom in the top right corner. Step 3. A pop-up will appear. Enter important details such as class name. Select the corresponding course, set the start date, and define the class schedule for each day of the week. You can also add an online meeting link here if needed. Step 4. Once everything is filled in, click Save to create the class. Step 5. Similar to courses, you can view or edit class information after it's created. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you manage your classes more effectively with Selfomy One.